We've introduced an affiliate program where if you refer the scraping system to new customers, you will earn 20% of everything that they spend forever, that they're, for as long as they're using the product. So you should have received an email with your code and your links that you can share. You could also go to scraper.sdcdeals.com/affiliate dashboard and then log in with your email and the code that was sent to you. If you don't know the code, you can simply do forgot my code. But for me, I can just do my email address and my code, and then I can view my dashboard. So when I do that, it gives me the referral links that I can use to send to someone. It also gives me a dashboard showing me how many people I've referred and what are my total earnings so far. But you can see that if people buy these packages for products, this is how much you would earn. So if someone buys the standard package, every time they do that, you earn $5. If they do professional, 12, enterprise is 20. And that's based on the number of products that they purchase. All you have to do is copy, share this link that has your referral code built into it, and then you can see exactly who has been referred and if they've purchased it. You also have the payout information here as well. So if you're a member of, Discord communities or other school communities, or you're on, other groups, you're on Twitter, you're on X, whatever you may be that you think that other people would benefit from this, or you're a coach and you have a bunch of students, this is a perfect program where you can refer so they can start using the web-based scraping product sourcing. And if they're using your code, again, for as long as they're a member, for as long as they make purchases, your referral link will be associated with their account, and you'll always earn cash back for every purchase that they make. You can go to the affiliate dashboard and sign up if you have not already got an account. A lot of people have auto been enrolled, and if you forgot what your code is, you simply go in there. This is the email that will say, here's your requested code. So that's the code that you would do, and then access your dashboard. It also has the links right in there. So if you have any issues finding your code, it makes it easy to have that link that you could then share out. Once you do share a code, the person that clicks it, if they want to get started, this is what they will see. You've been invited to join SDC Deals, and it'll have your code here displayed when they click your link. Gives them a little bit of information on what the site is, the pricing packages. Again, here's the different ones that you're earning 20% off of all of these. So if someone purchases 50,000 products, you're going to earn over $20 for that one purchase. And then when they have the ready to get started, they click this, put in their email and name. And again, your referral link will always be associated with their account. So as long as they're active and making purchases, you're going to get 20% of whatever they purchase. And that's about it. I appreciate if you would help spread the word, get more people using this system. That gives us more options to build in new features and things like that. So if you do have communities or people that you would like to share this with, it's a great way to help me and also get that cash back. If you have any questions or run into any issues with that affiliate dashboard, just let me know. Thanks again.